What is that? It's not that one?
Huh?
It's not that one, the Chinatown, because very nice here in Chinatown, London. Konghei Patso. Golden Phoenix. Lotus Garden.
Hello, Mommy.
I think there's a Lotus Garden in Manila, you know? Colon Oriental. And look at the food. Oh, nice. You know what? This is like the churros. Sida. They're making fresh sushi.
Walk straight down there, it takes us to Piccadilly Circus and Regent Street. Regent Street's where Hamleys is a massive toy shop.
Bird. Oh.
Oh yeah.
See the bird there. That crow. Oh, look, he's hungry. Look at the taxi here. That's the taxi over there. It's like a classic car.
Gardens.
St. Anne Churchyard Garden. Open 10 a.m. to 6.
Yeah. The entrance is
Bagel Bakery. What is it? L and N.
We'll do Wednesday. You said Wednesday. You said Wednesday. Right.
Nice, no? Nice. The pub is the Sheep. That's their door. Nice, no? Ay, the Sheep pub. Wow, oh, cupcake carnival. Dangka, no? Cupcake. Look at that. Oh. Baked goodies. Nice. Gales. Sheraton Street. And to the other side, you can see the George since 1897. We're here at what is it? Oxford Street. We're famous shopping street here in London.
they put lights up here at Christmas.
Oh yeah.
Like an Oxford Street light, Christmas lights. Famous.
Building to the right. Very nice, no? Uniqlo. And here at my side, is the Mark and Spencer. Mark Spencer. At Oxford Street. Here? So here, you should stay in the right side because people in a hurry to the left side.
My backpack is getting feels heavy because of a lot of walking in the center of London. Now we're on our way to find our hotel where we're going to stay for 3 nights. From here in Oxford Circus Station to
Oxford
King's
Circus.
Cross Station.
We're getting in here. Oh my god, I want to sit.
This is a Victoria Line train to Leicester Central.
Yeah. In front of King's Cross here.
Massive building, isn't it? A lot of bricks.
We should exit in this side then. Yeah, we should exit in this side instead of the other side of King's Cross.
It's gone to amber now, so I'll probably go green in a second or two.
Look at that view over there, huh? Okay, 360.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break.
Swinton Street. Going to our accommodation. Look. Arriba Hotel. What the check-in time is 2 o'clock, you know. It's what time is it now? What number?
Right,
Right.
there. Right.
Number 62. Turn on.
Got a kettle there.
So once you enter the room, to the right is their toilet. It's nice size, not big, not too small, perfect. There's a shower in here. Time check is 3:15 in the afternoon. Okay, so once you get in, you can see already the bed. Oh, there's no telly here. So that's the wardrobe. Okay. The mirror. That's the door. Straight forward to the elevator. Good, no? Ah, there's a TV pala. I didn't notice. So, look our view. While still light, I'll show you. So, the view are... Can I open it? I cannot open. I don't know how to open now. So, the view is the road of Swinton Street. Yeah, you see the tree looks dead, but it's alive. It's just because of winter. Today is February 13. Wait, tomorrow is Valentine's Day already. So we're gonna stay here for Today is Friday night, Saturday night, and Sunday night. Check out Monday 11 a.m. Back to Orpington. They have a kettle here. I can have some coffee or tea. And look at their cute milk. Back in a tiny serving. Oh, it's 7:10. 7:10 in the evening now here in where we stay. In Swinston. What is that? Swinston Street. It's raining. Currently time is 7:15. 5 degree temperature. Yeah, but raining, but something like drizzling, you know. It's not heavy rain. We're looking for something to eat. Where are we staying?
It cost £269 for 3 nights.
Sorry?
I think it cost £269 for 3 nights.
Ah.
I can't remember.
Charing Cross Station to the right. Yeah. I want to go to that Pancras. You see the time in the clock in the Pancras, it's 7:20 in the evening. Nice, no? The Voyage building at daytime, that is so cold. Okay, I'm following you. Oh. Now we've seen Nando's somewhere here. Well, it stopped raining, but it's really cold now. I can feel my hands become ice. Oh, here at Nando's. Hello. Nice and warm here inside Nando's.
Yes.
You know how I feel? I feel like I'm being injected with... You know when you go to the dentist, what is it? What is that? When you go to the dentist, anesthesia. It's like I'm being injected with anesthesia because of the cold outside. That's how I feel now. Ordering to Nando's, you're gonna scan the code over there, and then pick and hit up the perimeter to add your spice. Yeah, and then meaning you start ordering which one you like in here, and then they're gonna send to your table.
Alma drinks ginger ale, Yorkshire cider, regular chips and garlic bread. Check it out. Fucking no, I haven't.
Yes, continue. That's the butterfly chicken Nando's. No, I eat that 3 chicken, no? Jollibee. Everyone eating in Nando's. Happy Valley. You see? And you see, it's cold again. And you see the floor. Can you see the floor, huh? It's wet. Now, we're going to buy some water because the hotel that we're staying is not providing water. So, that's the King's Cross Station and the Pancras. Okay. Morrison Daily, open 24 hours. Oh, ito mo yan, ang ganda, no? Travel Lodge.
There's one of them up there, isn't it?
The one that's,
Probably the one without a light.
yeah, in the middle. Oh, it's ano, 1, 2, 3, 4 ano, level. Okay.
The car's gone now.
Arriba.